Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, we're going over the options we have for replacing the upholstery in your 2004 to 2007 Toyota Highlander. Alright guys, today we're working on a 2005 Toyota Highlander, and the interior kit that we built for it was made in our premium leather trim content in a two-tone combination of ash with dark graphite facings, perforated combo, and contrasting dove gray thread for all of the double stitch seams. Our premium leather trim content features leather on the seating surfaces of both rows of seating with matching vinyl on the sides and backs. We also offer our more budget-friendly Deluxe content with more vinyl on the rear seats. For those of you looking for all leather, we do also offer a 100% leather upgrade. We make upholstery kits for both the 2 and 3 row Highlanders, which include replacement covers for all rows of seating. These kits are actually designed for the original cloth to be removed for installation and require basic hand tools, hog rings and hog ring pliers, upholstery spray glue, and a pneumatic upholstery stapler. We do recommend using a clothing or upholstery steamer throughout the installation process for optimal fitment. This package also includes matching vinyl for rewrapping the door inserts. Installing upholstery kits, and especially rewrapping door inserts, is a relatively advanced process and may require a professional. If you're planning on having your kit professionally installed, give us a call and we can see if there's a shop in your area. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to receive free leather samples, give us a call at 866-NEW-SEAT or email us at sales@LeatherSeats.com. For more information, check out the links in the video description. And if you enjoy this type of content, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date. LeatherSeats.com. Custom look, factory fit.